Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start the very important series or the we can say that the playlist where we will discuss all the very important coding questions which are generally asked by the TCS, whether in the TCS NQT exam or in the TCS interview. So in this playlist, we will go through the videos one by one where we will discuss the coding questions in each video. And in the first video, we will discuss the very important coding questions which are generally asked by the TCS NQT. This is the palindrome number. It is the mostly asked question which TCS NQT generally asked every year. So we will discuss are the palindrome number. So first we will take an example of this to understand what are the palindrome number. So we have taken an example 1 to 1. So we can say that a number is palindrome number if it satisfies the two conditions. The first condition is that the number should be greater than or equal to the 0. If our number x is greater than or equal to the 0, we can say that x is a palindrome number and it should also satisfy the second condition, which is the reverse of our number, the reverse of our number x should be equal to the original value of x. So, if any number x satisfy these two conditions, we can say that the x is a palindrome number. So, we will check for this example. As you can see, here is the number 1 to 1 and it is greater than or equal to the 0. So, it satisfies the first condition and the reverse of the number 1 to 1 is also 1 to 1, which is similar to the original value. So we can say that it is a palindrome number as it is satisfy the second condition as well. Now we will take another example, uh, 5, 4, 3. So if you will see that the 5, 4, 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So it satisfy the first condition. But if you will reverse this number, so it will become 3, 4, 5, which is not similar to the original value. So it does not satisfy the second condition, but it satisfies the first condition. So we can say that this is not a palindrome number, not palindrome. Okay. So now we will discuss the code by don't wasting our time. So if you will go to the Google and search for palindrome number, you will get the link for the lead code. And I will also paste the same link for you in my description box. You can directly get from here. So first we will reset this code and we will write our own code again. So this is the question. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome or false otherwise. Okay, so if you will hover this palindrome, you will get the definition as well. An integer is a palindrome when it reads the same forward and the two backward. So here are some examples. The example one is where x equals to 1 to 1. And it is true as we have discussed in our board also. So the 1 to 1 is a palindrome number. And the second example is the 1 to 1, which is also 1 to 1, but it is the negative number. This is not a greater than 0. And we know that a palindrome number is always a positive number. So we can directly return the false. So as we know, the first condition number should be a positive integer. So we can directly return here if x is less than 0. It means if x is negative number, we can directly return false in that case. Okay. And now, if we want to reverse this number, we can first convert this number into the string format. Okay. So we can directly return here string answer. So in C++, if you want to convert in any integer into the string, you can directly use toString function. Okay. And here we will pass the value of integer. So the integer is x. So this will convert an integer x into the answer string. Okay. And if we want to reverse the string in C++, you can directly use the reverse, which is the built-in function, but we will write our own for loop here. So uh, first we will convert a reverse string, which will store the number in the reverse format. And we will also define n equals to answer dot size. So as we all know, to reverse any string, we have to traverse it in the backward order. Okay. So here we will traverse from the I equals to the n minus 1, I will be greater than equals to 0, I minus minus. Okay. And the reverse will be plus equals to answer of I. So first 1 to 1 will come, and after reversing it will become again 1 to 1. And if we go for the 5 4 3, so after reversing it will become 3 4 5. Okay. And now we have reversed the number and stored in the reverse string. So if we know if the reverse value and the original value are similar, that we can directly return true here. It means the number is a palindrome number. Otherwise, in every case, if it will not satisfy these two conditions, we can directly return the false for this palindrome number. Okay. So this is the source code. We will first run this code. If you will run this, you can see the code has passed all the three test cases successfully. And if we will submit this, yes, it has worked successfully. So here we have discussed what are the palindrome numbers, what are the two conditions, so the number will be a palindrome or not, and what is the source code. So the code is in the C++. If you will understand and if you have that concept of the Python, Java, you can directly convert this code into the Python and the Java as well as. So in this video we have discussed, and we will move forward with the other questions in our upcoming videos. So if you will like these videos, please subscribe us and make the like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.